Thank you, Professor. I'm happy I've honored the Egbas with this chat because over the years, from 1830 when this town was founded, we had lived in a kind of confederation where there had been racial equity, where we didn't mind where some of the Egbas came from Sierra Leone, from Brazil, from Cuba, from all over the places where they were sold out as slaves. They started coming back home. And they contributed immensely towards the development of the land. We are grateful to the visionaries in particular, who, when they came in 1843, 4th of January, they encouraged us to return to the monarchical form of government, so that the warlords would have somebody to be in control. And this has worked very well for us. We have 4 sections in the Egbaland, and we have an overall boss, an overall Oba, but the other Obas also have control over their own sections, and we have lived in harmony, respecting each other's traditions and bridging together an Egba tradition over almost 200 years. So you're welcome, and I pray that this cooperation will work for other parts of the world where there's racial tension about color, about religion, etc., etc. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.